What's going on, YouTube? It's Mark, the Mercado channel, back with another video, guys. Back with another video. Super tired, long day at work, man. Grinding. But yeah, guys, as you can see here, I don't know if you guys even know or have a clue what this is. It's a big box. And yeah, you guys can just guess what it is, but we're gonna unbox this bad boy here and show you guys what is inside. Because we have a special gift to show you guys. Alright. Right here we got breast cancer awareness brochures, candy for a cause. You guys probably already know what's inside here. We got some price tags right here. Stack of price tags. More brochures. They just threw in a bunch of brochures. We got the 50 cent price labels. Bam. Another brochure. Bam. Alright. We got the new lollipop inserts. We're going to count them up. We got 25 boxes. 25 more, guys. Yup, we got 25 more boxes.
That was MJ.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There must be more inside. 14 of those. More here. Got 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24, 25 lollipop inserts. And what you guys all been waiting for. You guys ready? Guys ready? I'm stuck here. Give me a second. I'm stuck. I want to make sure I got everything open. Because Sheridan Systems, they really package their boxes top notch. Big box. Very secure. Now let's whip these beautiful boxes out. 25 more. Candy for a cause right here, guys. SheridanSystems.com. Check them out. Let them know Mercado sent you. Mark Mercado, discount code Mercado. Get your discount. Start your Honor Box business today, guys. What are you waiting for? Get your beautiful Candy for a Cause boxes. You know, I love these boxes, guys. I love them. They're beautiful. They are gorgeous. Oh my God. I love these boxes, man. These are my favorite boxes. Yep. I'm already a pro at this, guys. I'm already a pro at it. You see how quick? The first time took me a while, but this one here, it's only going to take me, I don't know what, 20 seconds. Boom! Beautiful. Candy for a cause. Ah, I love the smell of brand new boxes, guys. That's how you install and put together a Candy for a Cause Honor charity box. Beautiful pink boxes. Thank you. You're going to label them as nice as you want with the price labels. You know, this local vending company financially helps breast cancer by donating a set portion of funds monthly. Here's the website. You can check us out. And on the back, this is my favorite feature. My favorite feature, guys, of the whole entire box. Right there on the back. What does it say? When supply is low, please call this local vending company. That's my favorite. And then it has a little box there to put a business card or your number, whatever you want. That feature there means a lot because when it's running low, you want that phone call. You don't want to just go to businesses and, oh, shoot, how long was my box wiped out empty for. You know, sometimes you don't want to miss out on sales. But anyways, as well, you got the holes on the bottom here to put your zip ties. Super awesome. Guys, do not put your charity boxes out there without zip ties. These boxes are cardboard. Anyone can steal your money. At least keep it somewhat secure with the zip ties, and boom, just like that, guys, we got 25 more of these. 25 more Honor charity boxes, guys. We are on the road to 100 Honor charity boxes. With these 25, we literally have now over 70. We only have 41 on location still. We've been extremely busy with the locating website, man. Everything is picking up. We're growing so much. But there you got it, guys. Man, I can't say anything more than just these boxes here are beautiful. I really love these boxes. They come well secure, well packaged in the box. Got a stack of 25 right here. None of my boxes are damaged. None of them are ripped. None of them are dirty. They're all just well kept in warehouse. And again, let's put another one together, guys. I'll break this one down for you. This is how it comes. If you want to put it together, first things first, you want to bend the top, bend the flap down. There, you got it. Right there. You're going to whip the sides, okay? You're going to whip the sides. You're going to grab this. You're going to tuck that. You're going to make the form of the box. You're going to put it together. Sometimes here, you got to be careful because the back folds, but you just got to hold it there and just bam, just like that. Whoop. Okay? Got it like that. Grab this one, put it there. Sides go in. These are my favorite boxes, guys. They really are. They're so easy to put together. Cash box, last but not least, the cash box. Put it in, nice and tight. And you got a Sheridan System, Candy for a Cause, breast cancer, pink ribbon, Honor charity box, guys. Again, any questions, drop them down in the comments. This was just a little quick, nice unboxing and review of these boxes. These are my favorite boxes out there. I do want to give a huge shout out also to a good buddy of mine, Dominic Barbado. He just came out with a Honor charity box for Feeding America, which is a huge charity that focuses on feeding the hungry and pantries and people in need that are hungry daily. You know, there's a lot of poor people around the world. And honestly, a shout out to Dominic Barbado for coming out for a box for the Feeding America. We're going to be reaching out to you soon, bro, to purchase some boxes, get some on route. Those are very beautiful boxes. These here we've been riding out for a little while, but guys, if you also want to check out Dominic Barbado, he has some beautiful, absolutely beautiful Feeding America charity boxes. They're gorgeous. I'm going to drop his link down in the description. VendingBusinessSolutions.com. Go check them out. Go check out Sheridan Systems as well. Use my discount code if you want. Save yourself some percentage. Help the channel grow. That's going to end the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the Mercado channel. Mark, until the next one, man. Peace.